Fall of the Berlin Wall, 1989. This day, the 9th of November, marks the historic fall of the Berlin Wall, which symbolized the end of the Cold War. East Germany opened its borders, allowing citizens to cross freely to West Germany. The wall's fall led to German reunification and was a powerful symbol of the victory of democracy over authoritarianism. Kristallnacht, 1938. Known as the Night of Broken Glass, this tragic event in Nazi Germany saw widespread violence against Jewish communities. Synagogues, homes, and businesses were destroyed, marking a significant escalation in Nazi persecution of Jews that eventually led to the Holocaust. Creation of the Schicksalslied by Brahms, 1868. On November 9th, Johannes Brahms premiered his famous choral work, Schicksalslied, Song of Destiny, based on the poem by Friedrich Hölderlin. It is one of Brahms' most celebrated compositions in classical music.